Welcome to the cafe. Today's poem is Hymn of Nature by Felicia Dorothea Jimenez. O blessed art thou whose steps may rove through the green paths of vale and grove, or leaving all their charms below, climb the wild mountain's airy brow, and gaze afar o'er cultured plains, and cities with their stately fanes, and forests that beneath thee lie, and ocean mingling with the sky. For man can show thee naught so fair as nature's varied marvels there, and if thy pure and artless breast can feel their grandeur, thou art blessed. For thee the stream in beauty flows, for thee the gale of summer blows, and in deep glen and wood walk free, voices of joy still breathe for thee. But happier far, if then thy soul can soar to him who made the whole, if to thine eye the simplest flower betrays his bounty and his power, if in whate'er is bright or grand thy mind can trace his viewless hand, if nature's music bid thee raise thy song of gratitude and praise, if heaven and earth with beauty fraught lead to his throne thy raptured thought, if there thou lovest his love to read, then wanderer, thou art blessed indeed. The door is always open.